Hi, I'm Donna Wolfe from Naztazia.com.
Today I'll show you how to crochet the crunch stitch, which has a nice texture for blankets, handbags, and more. Before we begin,
please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like me on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter.
I like to use bulky weight yarn with this stitch. To begin, chain 20, or any multiple of 2. Slip stitch in the second chain from the hook. Then, do a half double crochet. Slip stitch in the next stitch. Then another half double crochet. Slip stitch. Continue this pattern across the row. Your last stitch will be a slip stitch, which will match the beginning. Chain 2 and turn your work. This chain 2 counts as the first half double crochet. We're going to slip stitch in the previous row's half double crochet stitches and do a half double crochet in the previous slip stitches. Sometimes it's hard to tell which stitch is which. If you take a look at this long slanted stitch, see where it points on the top? That stitch will always be where you put your half double crochet. Slip stitch. Follow that slanted stitch again, and that's where the half double crochet goes. Continue this across the row. We end this row with the half double crochet to match the beginning chain 2. Chain 1 and turn your work. This time we're beginning with a slip stitch. Follow that slanted stitch to be sure where to put your half double crochet. Continue this across the row, matching slip stitches. Chain 2 and turn your work. The chain 2 is like a half double crochet. Follow the same pattern as before, alternating your rows between slip stitches and half double crochet. After several rows, you will see your slanted stitches line up, and that's how I do the crunch stitch.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and comment on this video, and please visit my website at Naztazia.com.